Grouting in your interior can change the entire space and how it looks. How grouting can change your space can look at the end. So everyone goes for tiles and the sizes of tile and the colors and everything. They talk about it, but they never talk about the grouting. It is equally important as the selection of the shape and the size of the tile. So today in this video we are going to talk about the grouting guide for your subway tile. So the first one is application and the size. So application and the size matters. So in that matter, the area of application, like where you are going to lay the subway tile and how big the area is, or how small the area is, or how much the size of the area is. So that it actually matters. So in larger space, if you want to go for the subway tiles that gives more of a complex look, you can always choose the contrasting grout, such as white tile with black or grayish tone of the white, such as white tile with black grouting. And if you have a smaller area where you are going to lay the subway tile, then you should, such as kitchen backsplash or a bathroom size or any area, then you should always go for minimalist tiles or the neutral to same color grouting, such as white tile with white color of grout. The second thing you should keep in mind while choosing the grout is design complexity. Now the size, the location of the tile impacts the design. Lot of things impacts the design. So the choice of grout color has a chance to influence the design complexity of your interior. So you should always keep three things in mind while choosing the grout color. The first one is that if you are a minimalist person, then you should always go for the lighter tones or the same color of grouting that can fade away the background. The second one is contrasting grouts. So in contrasting grout, you should have the person who is artistic or they have a creative mindset, or they want to highlight the background, they should always go for this contrasting grout, such as blue tiles with white color of grouting that is more of a contrasting color. That actually gives a dynamic look and it highlights the background. And if you are not a minimalist person, not a person who is more into highlighting the background, and you want to go for neutral tones, then, or if you don't want to go something that is minimalist or maximalist, then there is always a middle way out. So the different pairing wherein you can always go for different neutral tones, such as white tiles with beige or light brown or maybe gray color of grouting. This is kind of different pair of grouting wherein it neutralizes everything. You don't have to highlight the background, or you don't have to minimalize the background. It gives more of a neutral and cool and calm tones. That is how it works with the design complexity. And then we have a pattern tile. So a pattern tile has more of a continuous designs. So if you are laying a pattern tile to highlight any of your wall, you should always go for thinner grouting lines to give more of an infinite look. Pro tip is that you should always choose the same color of grout that the tile ends, because it gives the continuous look or a seamless look of the design. It highlights the pattern. So the thinner grouting and the continuous look and the same color of grout, it gives more of a seamless look to your interior. Then we have multicolor of tiles. So if you are having multicolored tiles such as mosaics or such as different subway tile color, so you can always go for something that, then there are two options that you can go for multicolor tile grouting. So there are two options. The first one is you can always have a single color that matches the grout, and the single color of grout that matches the tile, and it goes with everything. Then or else you can always go for neutral colors, the neutral one that goes with every color. Then the second part is you should always pick the color of grout that is actually more darker or more lighter than the tiles, that actually highlights each and every colors, and it complements and it brings out each and every color that it has to be. Then we have the glitter one. Yes, you can never go wrong with the glitters, right? Everything that has glitter looks better. So then, I mean, it is trending now. So the glitter tile is, or glitter grouting is something which highlights your tile. So if you are the sunlight, it highlights your interior space. So the sunlight and the reflection of light and everything actually brings out more of a glitter on the tile. So if you want to go for the same color glitter, or if you want to go for neutral color glitter, or if you want to go for contrasting glitter, that option is also available. So for the someone who loves glitter a lot, it is also available in grouting as well. So it shines a lot. Then we have different tile in one space. So this is very much complex and very much important for choosing grout. So if you are having different tiles in one space, such as in the upper part of the wall you have different color, and in the lower part you have different color of the tile, then you should always choose the neutral color, or the color that is similar to the tiles. Now it is very much important to understand the color combinations here. The reason is you may also go wrong with it, because if the let's say the grouting, if you are laying the grout with the corresponding colors of the tiles, then you can check it out on the floor first rather than going directly on the wall. So and if it doesn't look good, there are chances that the tiles are not going to look better in your wall application. So it is very much important to understand the color combinations of the tiles and the grout. You should always consult your interior for the color combinations when you are choosing the two tiles in one space. So it is advisable that you should always go for neutral colors such as beige, grey, or the lighter tones color, off-white colors, to have it more to make it more common, or to neutralize everything. So if you have any doubts regarding the grout, or if you have any questions, write it in the comment section. If you really like this video, hit the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.